Hello everyone, my name is Sushitas Jenkar. I am representing Batch 5 under the guidance of Professor Pratap MS. This presentation is regarding my internship at IC Solutions. These are the contents. So to start with, the introduction about the company. Innovation Creation Solutions (ICS) is a digital service provider that aims to provide software, designing and marketing solutions to individuals and businesses. They provide all kinds of technological and designing solutions from billing software to web designs or any custom domain. Their featured services include design and development, consultancy, mobile application, and so on. The internship which I was a part entitles as Python machine learning. The training period was about for a month. The training started with basics of Python, how to work with Jupyter Notebook, then Python libraries for machine learning, then a brief introduction to machine learning and its kinds of algorithms, then finally how to train a model, how to optimize a model, and how to deploy a model. So after the training was over, we were assigned a task called automobile price prediction using machine learning. So this project is based on supervised machine learning techniques to predict the price of cars depending on some entities enclosed in the dataset. Different techniques like linear regression, regression version of decision tree, and random forest analysis have been used to make predictions. So once all the predictions are over, the final predictions are then evaluated and compared in order to find those which provide the best performance. I made use of four supervised machine learning algorithms. The first one is the linear regression and decision tree, which is of regression version, then random forest, which is again the regression version, and finally the extra tree, which is also the regression version. This is the model chart. So R squared is used as a metric to calculate the accuracy. So finally the random forest, which is of regression version, turns out to be the best fit. The technical skills which I have attained from this internship are as follows. The Python essentials, the basics of Python, data analysis and visualization libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and so on. A brief introduction to machine learning and its kinds of algorithm, then the model optimization, and a brief introduction to deep learning, and finally how to deploy a model into real world. The non-technical skills are as follows: applying knowledge to tasks, organizing and maintaining information, and I improved my problem solving and critical thinking. So finally, the benefits of this internship turns out to be it gave an opportunity to hands-on work experience. It was a great way to meet new people, and it allows one to apply the knowledge that is gained in the classroom to a real world setting and to exhibit the ability to perform a role that is assigned. This is the completion certificate, and that's all. Thank you.